Hi, my name is Chloe Shi. I'm an interior designer and also the founder of Shepherdgate Concept. Design means a mission to bring the happiness to everyone for me. So when we go back to the house, we need some space to be calmed down, and we don't need so many unnecessary things in the environment. We just need the important thing, and then whatever we need for our lifestyle, then that is enough already. So minimalist and Muju will bring that kind of feeling to people. Like we come up from the stressful work, then we go back to the home, then less always more. I felt that music and interior design is actually can mix together. When sometimes I'm doing design, I will switch on the music, then close my eye and listen to the music. Then I will get the color for the interior. So music actually bring the color and bring the image. I can feel that I want the leather sofa or I want the furry carpet and all that. So that goes well with music and interior design. I actually feel proud in this mail industry because I found that a lot of things mail can do, actually ladies can also do it. So I can learn more tough and empowering myself to solve the problem and talk to everybody and solve and work with anyone. Yeah. In the beginning, people will think that female designer, we can only do the drawing in the office. Then we dress up nicely, do the drawing in the office. Then we cannot solve the problem on site because it's construction site is very hot and dirty, and maybe we need to talk to those workers. But end of when we try to solve the problems one by one from in the construction site, they will feel different. They will feel that actually ladies designer can do also all these things. For ladies, we have a soft outlook, but actually our heart is very tough. So we can actually solve a lot of problems on site. And we think our mindset and our thinking is quite neat. And then a lot of things is a little bit maybe people cannot see, but actually we can realize that. The advantage for me, I think, is talking to a ladies owner, because being a ladies designer, female designer, I can stand to the ladies' perspective to think about what they need. Because sometimes ladies say, I need to take care of the kids, and then I need to cook, and then I need to work here and do that. For a male, I think a bit hard to know about that. But for me, a ladies, which is I got my kids, then I can understand more I can understand more for my female client. So I think that is the advantage for a ladies designer. So we can know what men thinking and we can know what ladies thinking. I think the challenges is a low budget and short deadline design. For example, that is a condo before that I did. So the client need to move in because he got no place to stay. Yeah, they need to hand over their rented house. So I got only maybe 3 weeks to 1 month to finish that one. And yeah, it's very short time. And then also the pricing, the budget is very low, but client requirement is high. So this is a challenge for us because I like just now what I say, my mission is bring the happiness to the client, and then we need to do the design for the client. So I try to apply the design with the budget and in the short deadline for them. So that's very hard actually. We work overnight, and then we push a worker, and then our designer, we all work on site, and then even we do it ourselves also with the worker. Yeah, we doing the wallpaper ourselves, and then we doing the painting ourselves. That is quite good experience for this challenge. Probably my greatest achievement, I think, is being able to take care of my family, my kids, and my younger kids is like 5 years old, and also my work, my career at the same time. And also we passed through the GST period, and the hardest one is a MCO period. Operate our company operation until now almost 10 years. I think I'm quite proud of it. Do not be afraid of hard work, and don't give up the original intention when you choose this industry.